Okay, so we should be live. Hopefully, we'll have somebody here to let me know whether or not the audio is even half decent. Might need to be bumped up or something like that. Have nary an idea. Oh, I didn't realize Dylan was here with me, but he popped off. I think he was talking to somebody. He might be going to get something. But anyway, thank you everybody for tuning in to this live stream. This is my first anything to the channel since I've been back home. Been, catching up with the fam. We've went out, seen movies, played board games with them since I gotten back. Because if you're unfamiliar, I was in Colorado and just recently got back home. So, I have no idea what you mean by snafu. If I could get a yay or nay on chat, that'd be great. Or the audio, excuse me, in chat, that'd be great. But what we're going to be doing is we are going to be inside of Arch Linux here, passing through my GPU into a gaming virtual machine. Because, I want to game like PUBG and stuff. There's games I want to play that will only run inside of Windows. Thank you for the yay, Jeff. Thank you very much. Hopefully you're doing well, brother. It's good to see you, and welcome to the stream. But I have been enjoying Linux, but I want to also enjoy the beautiful games that I've also been playing here recently, like PUBG and such. And for that, I need Windows, but I don't want to just have to use Windows. So, if I do a little Neo fetch in here, you'll see that I have the Ryzen 5700G and a 6600 XT. And so, what I have done is booted from the iGPU that's inside the 5700G, because it is an APU. So the monitors and everything are plugged into the motherboard's display outputs, DisplayPort and HDMI, and they are inside of the BIOS. I have set it to boot using the iGPU. I know on Gigabyte motherboards, that is guaranteed a feature, especially on newer Gigabyte motherboards. Other motherboard manufacturers, I'm not too sure if they let you choose, or maybe it might be one of those things where if you just plug your only displays into the motherboard, it might force it to boot off the iGPU. It depends. But as long as you have an Intel, if you have one single graphics card and you have a built-in iGPU in it, then you can take your other graphics card and pass that into a VM and then play games using that card in that virtual machine. And that's what we're going to be doing today. Now, I have done this before, not on this computer, with a completely different setup and everything, and I don't really think it worked out that well. So we're going to be doing it this time live together to see how difficult or how easy the process is together, and this will be documented so other people can come back and watch it and see if I'm just terrible at doing this, or how realistically difficult the challenge is. So first things first, let's hit that dark theme. Okay, hold on. The desktop audio is not coming through. Let me hit the properties. Oop. That would be why. Click OK there.
GPU pass-through video.
There we go.
But unlike
so, Dylan, my good buddy over on Discord, has sent me this video here, which is a guide for doing exactly what we want to do, a GPU pass-through on Manjaro, and using Windows 11 as the guest, system. So, before we go ahead and get into the process too much, I know that there's going to be some things that we need to go ahead and get started downloading. One of them being the ISO for Windows 11. Download Windows 11. We need the ISO. Select download, multi-edition ISO, download. We want English as the language, confirm. Okay, Windows 64-bit download. Let's get that started. Oh, yay, it's only little over 5 gigs. Such a small download. Oh, so nice. Don't you just love it? Like, operating systems are just so small. It's awesome. All right. So, let's go ahead and watch this.
Like all the previous videos, in this one we'll be using Windows 11 as our guest operating system. Windows 10 should still work just as well, but we'll focus on Windows 11 in this one. I'll be using a new and updated script for this video, and the link will be in the video description. So the requirements, as always, are you will need 2 graphics cards, one for the host, one for the guest. An integrated graphics card should be enough for the host. Intel graphics cards, AMD APUs, they all should do just fine for the host. For the guest, you will need a dedicated graphics card. Next, you will have to have the virtualization extensions enabled in BIOS, VTD, VTX on Intel, and SVM and IOMMU on AMD. Usually the names can vary between different motherboard manufacturers. Another BIOS setting that we need to change is we need to disable the resizable bar feature in the BIOS. Again, that needs to be disabled, and above 4G decoding, if you have that setting in your BIOS, that needs to be disabled too. Okay, and now that we have
Never heard of those
out
settings.
of the way, we can get started working on our Manjaro host. Sudo pacman -syu will make sure that our system is up to date. So now that we've downloaded and installed the updates, let's reboot. Next step, let's download and run the script. The link will be in the description. Download zip. We'll save.
All right. So this is Manjaro helper. Open link in new tab. Pass-through helper. Okay. Cool. So performance optimizations. CPU core pinning. AMD GPU hypervisor detection. All right. I have no idea what the fuck all this is going to do, but, you know, we'll figure it out later.
Save it. Okay, so...
Okay, so we need to git clone this URL. Let me copy it. Copy and Control-Shift-V it. Oh, no. Wait, why did it copy a YouTube link? Let's just Control-C it. Control-V there. And then now we can CD into Manjaro helper. Yep. So it's just a nice little script.
Let's open the file manager. Let's unzip it. Extract here. Let's open the terminal. Let's go to downloads. Manjaro helper 21. And let's make Manjaro _ help.sh executable. chmod +x and Manjaro _ help. And now let's run it as a super user. So sudo Manjaro help.sh. Enter. Okay, so this will make some changes to Grub. Basically, it will change this AMD IOMMU on this so that the VFIO.PCI is loaded before NVIDIA, and this to avoid some
Hello.
two screens.
Hello. Sorry,
If you want to edit it with Nano, just hit
Oh,
Y.
hello. I am live streaming right now. I'm live streaming me watching the video that you sent me on the GPU pass-through guide for Manjaro, and we're running through. Huh? You are breaking up so fucking bad. I cannot understand you. What are you saying?
Don't worry about it.
Dog, are you in your room?
No, I'm on the trip.
Ah, that makes sense. Okay.
I'm home in like a few minutes. Okay.
If not, then N, and let's continue. This should be good. So we'll hit N. Yes to all the installations that will be happening.
Oh.
Yes again. Next up, if you want to use Windows 11.
Wait. Hold on.
So we'll hit N.
What?
Wait, hold on. What?
Did before NVIDIA. And this to avoid some screens.
Hold on. I'm watching the video.
If you want to edit it with Nano, just hit Y. If not, then N. And let's continue. This should be good. So we'll hit N.
Oh, okay. That's why it didn't work, because it'll only let you configure it with Nano. Awesome.
Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Yes to all the installations that will be happening.
Okay.
Yes again. Next up, if you
All right, so this is going to take care of installing QEMU, all that shit. Luca.
So basic, but everything.
Yeah. Luca, it's good to see you too, man. I have been missing YouTube and feeling very bad for not posting anything. No, I actually have. Like, no lie, I have. I actually did like complain to my mom earlier. I was like, honestly, like I've been back for days now, and all I want to do is like make some videos. And I've had to, since getting back, all of my friends want to see me because they haven't seen me in forever. So I've gone to see like my handful of close friends, and I've also had like my sister has been very demanding for my time because she missed me. So like I had to play board games like all today.
Bro, your sister's obsessed with you, bro. She's actually obsessed with you.
I mean, I genuinely think me leaving, she like in the back of her head subconsciously was like, oh, he's not coming back. Like that,
Yeah,
like
yeah, your sister seems a bit. Why is she so bothered? Like, how old is she?
22.
Damn. Oh, well, I guess you're her older brother, though, right? I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, fair enough.
I mean, I don't know, man. Like, it genuinely seems like I've kind of been treated like I've like come back from the dead, like. But yeah, it's nice to be back, and I will say one thing: I am going to be staying up late tonight recording videos. I make no promises on how good they'll end up being, or if I'll end up like posting all of them, but no matter what, there's going to be one video coming out very shortly, and my kind of hope is for tonight to kind of record like 2 or 3 videos and get them scheduled, and that way tomorrow, like if I can keep up on that pace, get a good night's sleep, and then record quite a few videos tomorrow, we'll be on pace to start catching back up to Matt's growth level.
So you can get that YouTube paycheck again. Is that what it is?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Of course. I mean, it's all
That's
for the
right,
YouTube paycheck.
Yeah.
I mean, I've
Got
like
first YouTube paycheck, ditch for a month, and come back. You know.
Genuinely, like, let's be real for a second. If you think I've gotten a YouTube paycheck already, you're delusional. Okay, I'm telling you, just because you hit 1,000 subscribers and can make money from YouTube. Genuinely, it's like I'm talking to someone who's in a train underground right now. I can't hear a word you're saying.
I'm outside now.
You're on a what? Like genuinely, you're breaking up so bad.
I am home in 2 seconds.
Oh, I love that because it was perfectly clear until you said 2. Because it was like, I'll be home, like perfectly clear in, and it like cut out 2 seconds. All right, so it's installed all of that stuff. It's edited the MKinit CPIO. Do you want to edit and verify it? No. Do all that
If
shit.
you want to use Windows 11, you will need a trusted platform module, and if you don't have it, you will need to emulate it. So
Don't worry, I've got a
if you want to
TPM.
install an emulator for that, hit yes. MKinit CPIO was modified. Do you want to make changes to it?
Okay, hold on. Manjaro _health update grub command not found. Oh, that's all right. I can manually update grub. We need to do grub. Oh, right. Excuse me. Sudo grub -mk config -o/boot /grub/grub.cfg. I can do that little script. It's okay. Don't hurt yourself. Perfect. All right. So grub has been updated.
I will say no. If you want to modify it yourself, or if you want to take a look at the changes, hit yes. Okay, so here we are done with the script, and at this point we should reboot. Okay, so we are back.
Oh, I need to reboot now after the script's done. Okay. Okay, boys. The stream is going to be interrupted real quick by a quick reboot. Okay. Just letting you guys know. I don't think I need to do a reboot, sudo for a reboot command, but whatever. I will see you boys back here. This is going to be just a quick little reboot so that we free.
Hello everyone.
All right, we're back. Dark theme. Go. We were about this far in, I believe. Somewhere about here. And now that we're back, let me also load back up Discord. Why are loading up like that? Come on. There we go. There we go. Let me pop back. Oh, I am in here. Q. Perfect.
No. If you want to modify it yourself, or if you want to take a look at the changes, hit yes. Okay, so here we are done with the script, and at this point we should reboot. Okay, so we are back. Now let's verify that it's actually working. We'll go back to GitHub. We'll download IOMMU viewer. Same process. Extract it.
Okay, so let's open this in a new tab. Let's Control-C this and go back over here and then open up a terminal and let's git clone this link. CD into IO MMU viewer. That's ls chmod plus x IOMMU viewer, and then let's do we're probably gonna have to run it as sudo.
Executable chmod IOMMU viewer, and let's run it now. Okay.
All right. /. Okay, so we don't need to run it as
So what this will tell us, it will tell us what IOMMU groups our devices are in. We want the graphics card will be passing to the virtual machine to be in its own IOMMU group.
Okay, so let's see. Here it is, group 11. Compatible controller, Navi 2, 6600 XT. And the audio group for it is on a separate IMMU group. That's, oh my god, I actually like that. That's actually good. Because I never use my graphics card like video output as a fucking sound device. I love that. Okay, nice. So it's group 11 and PCI bus 303. That's our GPU.
In my case, it's this one in group 2, but there is another card in group 2, so there are two cards. There is a Radeon 6900 XT, and then there is a Radeon 5400. So the 5400 I'm using for my host, and the 6900 I want to use for my guest. But because they are both in the same IOMMU group, I cannot run this. So what do I need to do? Well, I either need to move one of them. I could take, in my first slot, it's the Radeon 6900, and in the second slot, it's the 5400. So I could move the 5400 to the third slot, but that one is kind of blocked, so I cannot put it in there. So what I can do, and you can do that if you are on Ryzen. Generally, Ryzen systems have this option. So I'll reboot and go to BIOS. And in BIOS, I'll go to, I think it's under AMD CBS. If you have something other than Gigabyte, it will be somewhere else, and it will be probably called something like ACS Enable. And I save it. IOMMU viewer. And let's see our IOMMU groups. Okay, here we are. Now our graphics card is in two groups, 26 and 27, and that's fine. Nothing else is in any of those two groups, so we should be good to go. The 5400 sits in its own group, 28. Perfect. So all you want to do is any device you decide to use with your virtual machine needs to be in its own IOMMU group, or in this case two, but they cannot share an IOMMU group. Next up, we'll need to download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft's website.
I got that.
Okay, so now let's open Virtual Machine Manager.
Oh, I don't think I have. Wait, do I have Virt Manager installed? I believe I do. Virt-Manager. Yep. Unable to connect to libvirt QEMU/system. Authentication unavailable. No Oh, I need a Polkit agent. That's fine. That's no problem. I can't remember. Go to Arch Polkit. I can't remember which one it is that I use. I think it's the dumb agent one. A minimalistic desktop agent which provides, yeah. So we'll just do it inside of this because I'm not going to need to keep this around. Oh, shit. That's not what we wanted to add. We want to click this to copy it. Paste that in. Mother, why is this not copying when I click it? It's not going to my clipboard. Alright. That there. CD into Polkit dumb agent to make pkg -si. Give it my password. Did I give you the wrong password? Yes, I did. Install that. Perfect. Build that. Cool. Alright. Install that. Then I can just go back up into IOMMU viewer just in case I need it. Well, I'll just put it here. We're probably not going to need that. Alright. So now, load up Virt Manager. Okay, we now get No pop-up. New virtual machine. No active connection to install on. QEMU, VMU, not connected. Connect. No Polcat. No Polcat agent. What?
And we'll create a new virtual machine.
Like, wait, hold on. What is this? Unable to connect the QEMU system. Authentication unavailable. No Polcat agent available to authenticate action. Hold on. Do I have to start Polcat, dumb agent? There we go. Yep, I had to start it. Gotcha. Connecting. Hello? Set a network. What do you mean by set a network? What does that even mean? Add connection. Hypervisor. QEMU, KVM. Like. I'm so confused. No connection to install on. Close. Hold on. Do as NMCLI connection. Add type bridge. Type bridge slave. What the fuck is that? NMCLI connection show active. Do as a connection down. What? What in the fuck? This is a bridged. This is bridge connection setup. I have no idea what you just did or what you're saying. I thought this set up Vert Manager for us. I am so confused. Because, I mean, it should be set up. Like, I should just... I mean, I'm like 99% sure SVM's enabled on the bot. Like what? Cannot connect Q/KVM arch. Oh, maybe I have to run it with sudo? Maybe? Could that be it? Sudo vert-manager. There we go. Hey. Okay, I just had to load. Okay, I just have to run it as root. Gotcha. Okay. Choose how you would like to install it. Let's go back to the guide.
We'll
Yes, we do want to. Well, I mean, I could do this myself. Local ISO, browse. What? 4% default file system directory. Huh?
pick the CD-ROM and find it where we saved it. I'll give it Windows 11 16 gigabytes.
Wait, hold on. Do we even have it downloaded? Oh yeah, that's right. We rebooted the computer. No. We have to re-download it. No shit. Download Windows 11. We have to go all the way back. Yay, download. Choose one. English, because like, let me make sure. CD into downloads. What are the odds that that's actually downloaded? Like, you know, like the full file. It has. Oh, we don't need to redo it. Okay, cool. So browse local, go to downloads, and we see nothing. Oh, here we go. What the? I don't even know, man. I don't know. Open. Automatically detect from the installation
Memory, I'll pick for cores. We saved it. I'll give it Windows 11.
The emulator may not have search permissions for path. Do you want to correct this now? Yes. Choose memory and CPU settings. Let's go up here. We want to do Let's give it, because I mean it's Windows, it's going to need the priority on RAM. Let's give it 20. That's what we'll give it. And so that leaves, you know, plenty for us on the Linux side. Actually, you know what? We'll bump it up just 2. Give it close, like 23 gigs, somewhere around there. CPUs. I want it to have 10. The other 6 threads are for my host system. Next. Enable storage for this virtual machine. Create a disk image for the virtual machine. Yes. And we'll give this one get into Windows. So we'll give it 100 gigs. Forward. Name. Windows 11.
16 gigabytes of memory. I'll pick 4 cores, 100 gigabytes of storage. That's what I'll give it. And then customize. Okay. If you are doing Windows 11, you need to choose Secure Boot, NQ35, apply. Secure Boot.
Click Finish. Virtual network default. Would you like to start the network? Yes. Oh shit. It's already started booting. Shut down the virtual machine. Dog, like full on works. Quit. Okay. Ooh. Alright, let's just move this over to another monitor.
NQ35, apply.
Force off. Don't ask me again. Yes. Shut off. Cool. Okay, so edit. How in the world did he get virtual machine details? No. Preferences. Close. There we go. Show virtual hardware details. Okay. So KVM, BIOS. Oh, I can't change any of this. Ruh-roh.
I mean, we can change the name to 11. Doesn't matter. Boot options. I'll make SATA bootable. It's bootable by default anyway. The first time you run it, it will boot from that device. But sometimes you might need to reboot the machine or something, and it's just nice to have it selected. Next, add hardware, and we'll do the trusted platform module. When we ran the script, it installed the emulator, so we should be good to go there. My PC does not have a TPM chip in it, so I need to emulate it. If you do have the trusted platform module chip, then you can just do pass-through device, and this should be...
Like, I don't have TPM in here. I don't have any of that shit. I might just have to do a Windows 10 VM and pass the GPU through there.
The name, but if you don't have the chip, or if you just don't want to mess with it, you can always use the emulated device. Doesn't really matter. You just need to convince Windows 11 that it's present there. So we'll go with the emulated device. Finish. We won't be doing the pass-through just yet. We'll get the machine going, and when everything is ready, we'll add the graphics card.
Okay.
So I'll click on...
So let's just run this bad boy. Open it. No bootable device. Where the fuck is my mouse at? Okay, I can't have control of my mouse or my system. Fuck, what's the key binding to get control of my keys back? I mean, escape does nothing. Control escape. Alt escape. Alt. What the? What the fuck is the key binding to get out of here? Does anyone know? Damn. I literally don't know how to get out of here. I can't do anything. I'm stuck inside of this virtual machine. Let me see. Do I have my phone on me? Cool. Key. Oh my god. Fuck. Key. This is actually starting to piss me off. Key binding. Key binding to get out of virtual machine virt dash manager. Installing storage pool, virtual networks. Oh my god, dude. I'm definitely starting to get pissed. Oh my god, there's no fucking explanation of how do I get out of here? How do I get my mouse and key binding back? Control Alt Delete? Is it that stupid? Oh my god, it's literally that fucking retarded. Oh my god, okay. Awesome. I genuinely didn't think it would be that fucking stupid. That's a Windows thing. Send key. Oh, cool. Force off. Don't ask me again. Yeah. See, okay. Force off. Why even allow me to press don't ask me again if you're not going to do it? Okay, so now it doesn't work. It booted the first time, but now it won't. Boot options. Yes, apply those changes. Here we go. Okay, so we did have to enable that for it to work. Because that's where it is. It's in the SATA ROM. Yes, apply the changes. Start the damn machine up. Thank you. Alright, let's see if we can install Windows 11. I have a feeling it's going to tell us like TPM's not enabled and shit. And we're just going to have to do a Windows 10. I don't have a product key. Sign in with my Windows 11 shit. I want to do just a regular Windows 11 home installation. And I know my webcam's covering up a bit of the virtual machine, but I think it'll be okay. This PC cannot run Windows. Knew it. Alright, so force off. Yes. Because we're not fucking around with that TPM bullshit. We'll stick with Windows 10. Here. Let's quit out of there. Let's open it. Let's go to the virtual machine details. Go to overview. We're going to rename this Windows 10. Just real cheeky like. And then in CD-ROM, yes. Go here. And we're going to change out this ISO here in just 1 second. Load up another downloads window. Go to download Windows 10. Windows 10 ISO. Default, no, what is this? What in the fuck? Are we on like the German website or some shit? English. Download. Why are we on like the German site or some shit? Okay. Windows 10 is bigger than Windows 11. What the fuck? What the fuck, dude? Quit that. Okay. Alright, so we're going to download Windows 10 and then install Windows 10.
Begin installation. Okay, so Windows is ready here, and let's shut it down and let's add the graphics card. Okay, we'll need the actual graphics card, and you'll find it under PCI host devices.
Okay, so Windows is over halfway downloaded. Oh yeah. So it shouldn't be too much longer. And then we're going to install Windows 10 instead of Windows 11. And yeah, we'll be good to go. Hopefully everyone's been doing a good day and is also kind of enjoying this. This is not too complicated. This is actually kind of fairly simple process. I mean, ain't bad. No, not bad at all. Fairly simple. The most tedious process has been actually downloading Windows and then me getting pissed off at not knowing how to get out of the virtual machine. Browse local, downloads, Windows 10 ISO, open that. Perfect. Yes, apply. Now click run. Boot into Windows 10. Yes. Perfect. Click next. Install. Setup is starting. The setup is starting. I don't have a product key. No. No product key here. Windows 10 Home. Next. Because I actually think I have a license for Windows 10 Home too, if I'm not mistaken. Might even be Windows 10 Pro. I can't remember. Let's do a custom install, Windows only. Click new, apply. Yes. Holy McShittersons. We might get a working Windows gaming VM up and running. That's going to be pretty lit. Just saying. But I do like that. So like we're in here, I can just do Control Delete and get out. And we can like send in different stuff. So like, what does Control Backspace do? Actually, I don't even know that gets me out of the window. Really don't know. We probably just need to go into like, settings over here. Edit preferences. Grab keys. Control L plus Alt L. What? Okay, restart it. We need to force off. Yes. And we need to go into here. Go into the boot options. Take the CD-ROM drive and just get rid of it. Apply those. Now start it up. Perfect. We get Windows 10 booting up. We're going to go ahead and install it, do all of that good stuff. And let me take this and move it over here. Da-ba-dee-doo, da-ba-dee-dee, da-ba-dee-doo, da-ba-dee-dee. I don't know if it automatically does this, or like this is something that like I can do later for performance improvements. From the looks of this install, the virtual machine is not going to be fast until we start getting drivers and shit installed. It probably also could use like quite a few. Oh, I'm in top chat. Shit. Oops. Turn on live chat. Hopefully I haven't missed anything. According to YouTube, I haven't. Alright. Just a moment. Dude, oh my god, please tell me I won't get to hear Cortana's ugly ass voice here. That would be great. Holy Jesus. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm Cortana. You can fuck right on off. I hate you, Cortana. You're the worst. Just piss off. Like, you're lucky I can't hear you. God. I don't. Windows, Control, and Enter keys to get her beautiful voice. Please, let's go. Alright, United States. That's accurate. US. Yes. Skip. Let's see. Now we have some important setup to do. Yes. Lots of keyloggers and stuff to install in the background. Give me just a second. Let's see. Okay. So the next thing that we're going to do after we get it installed is we're going to actually, like, you know. One second. Ooh, excuse me. Oh. After we get it installed, then we'll do the GPU pass-through. Just a moment. Take your time, take your time, take your time. All right, so now for this section of it, I'm going to switch over to just the webcam. Just me webcam. Because I'm going to sign into my Microsoft account. As long as I can remember the password for my account. Did I get it right first try? That's incredible, I did. All right, set up a PIN, because Microsoft is all about that. No, I do not want location. I do not want diagnostics data. Let's go back over. I think we're good on personal info. Tailored experience, advertising idea, inking, typing, find my device. None of that. Except, like it matters though. I am into entertainment, creativity, and gaming. Let me just give you all my interests. No thanks. What are you going to add to me? Only save files to this PC. Decline that. No thanks. Not now, no. But thanks, Cortana. Okay. Looking forward to helping you out. God, that is a big assumption that I need nor want your help. We're getting everything ready for you. This might take several minutes. Dee 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 doo. Anytime now. Do 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 do. I'm gonna be honest. This wasn't that difficult. Like setting this all up, not hard at all. Like really, really not. I mean, if I wanted to use Windows 11, or if I really cared that much about using Windows 11, this could be more difficult. But because Windows 10 is a thing, it's fine. I'll leave everything to you. Yeah. Okay. I mean, hey, when their ISO is like double the size of like almost every other Linux ISO that's out there, it's going to take a minute to install, you know? Word, I got my Windows 10 install up. Yeet, dude. Yes, sir. We have a Windows 10. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's force off the computer. Yes. All right.
And you just have to.
Okay, so now what we need to do is click here, go to open. We need to go over here, and we need to add hardware. And PCI host device. And we need to go through here and grab this. Oh, itch that. Yep. Okay. Click finish. So, yep, we've got our 6600 XT going in there, and just for some reason, I guess we'll go ahead and pass through the wait, hold on. There's 3 of them. Oh no, it's just that's the one that we passed in. Yeah, 0. Yeah, and then this is 1 for the audio. Pass that in there. All right, so we've got the 6600 and its audio going in there. Perfect.
Find which one is the one. So 1, so I add this one, and then there is an audio portion.
Yup.
You want to add that too. So right here, finish. Okay, so we have these two. That's the same graphics card, the video portion and the audio portion. And then you also want either USB devices, like a mouse and keyboard. You can pass them through individually. I would recommend passing through an entire USB controller. That way you can plug in and unplug USB devices, and it gives you more flexibility, and some things work better that way. So in my case, I know this one sitting in its own group right here. I will use this one, 0E00.3. So PCI.
Wait, hold on. Do we really want to pass through our USB devices into this thing? I don't know about that,
A
dog.
host device, and then you will plug in your mouse and keyboard to that, and you will basically need 2 sets of mouses and keyboards, or a KVM switch. You could use EVDev for mouse and keyboard switching between the host and the guest. It's a topic, it's an entirely separate topic, so I won't go into that. But if you only have one mouse and one keyboard, you can unplug it from the host, basically whichever controller is, or whatever controllers are used by the host, and plug it into that one controller you pass through to the guest, and you will be good. And because it's an entire controller that's assigned there, you can plug in devices and unplug devices. If you do an individual USB device like this, you cannot plug in and unplug them. They are basically assigned at boot and you are done. We'll keep the emulated GPU here while we are installing this, because AMD graphics cards need the driver installed, and in order to install the driver, you will also need to edit the XML. So we'll do that now. But before we can, let's go back to Virtual Machine Manager, the main screen or whatever, and click Preferences and enable XML Editing. When we select this, click on this, Edit, Connection Details. And Virtual Networks, and select Auto Start on Boot. That way you don't have to manually start the network each time the host machine starts. And let's edit XML. I will go Overview.
Okay.
XML. So I'll go back to GitHub. You need to paste this between the Hyper-V tags.
Okay. So the AMD GPU hypervisor detection, Control C, and where is the Hyper-V tags? I'm going to see this Hyper-V, yeah, in between here. So Shift V. What the fuck? Why? Nothing. It's not disabled in preferences. Yes. So leave that. Click quit. Let's open it again. See, maybe this time. No. Do I have to like restart the fucking program? Click close. Well, hold on. First things first. Go into edit. Preferences. Enable XML editing. Click close. Okay. So now, again, copy this, and then in between Hyper-V here. Fuck me. Why is it not working? Why can I not put anything here? I don't get it.
In the XML, and that will let your AMD GPU to basically work. Without it, the drivers won't work and you won't have any output. Okay, so between Hyper-V tags, let's find.
So it's enabled there. I have enabled it, you fucking piece of shit. I don't understand. Why can't I edit XML? No. Oh. Okay. Yeah, but see, the fucking warning doesn't go away. Like, okay. Oh, editing the libvirt XML directly. Libvirt arch. What? Isn't that what I just tried to do? Libvirt. What? Oh. Hold on. I didn't realize I put an E in it. Where is libvirt? Okay, so I mean it's installed. Why can't I edit the god blessed XML? Why? Edit preferences, general, enable XML editing. Click Q. Let's relaunch it. Because I'm a masochist. Preferences. Look at that shit. It's not enabled. So I enable it. Preferences. It is fucking enabled. Open. Overview. XML. XML editing is disabled in preferences. I genuinely can't do this. Hold on. Where is libvirt-xml? Nothing. Sudo pacman-s libvirt-xml. Oh, well, if I spell pacman right. Libvirt-xml not found. Like, I mean, I guess it's like a dependency or something that I'm missing for virtual, like, because I mean, this bug has, like, I've enabled it over here in preferences. I should be able to edit this XML, no problem, but I can't. View manager. Oh, buddy's about to start going crazy. Give me 1 second. Okay. Of course, like I genuinely don't even know now how many people are at my door. I've heard the door open like 6 times now. Light theme, yeah. I mean, I would change it, but I want to get around to Ryzen and stuff. That is not going to happen until I can edit this fucking XML, and I'm genuinely about to lose my shit over it. Like, what the fuck? Why can't I edit it? I go into edit, preferences, enable XML editing. I can't do anything. Is it because of a... Oh my god. libvirt XML arch. Like, there has to be some fucking package that I'm missing. Nope. Why would Gentoo even fix anything? Gentoo wouldn't fix anything. Like, I genuinely don't understand. I need to edit this fucking XML, and I can't for some reason. I've tried that, but I'll go ahead and do it again, just because you're being helpful. All right, so close that. So let's go over here. Let's relaunch Virt Manager. Boom. Okay, so we go in here, edit, preferences. Guess what? It won't be enabled. Cool. We click that. Cool. Sounds good. Let me copy that. Oh, but anyway, let me just show you that it's not going to work. So enable XML editing. Cool. Now we open this up and we go in here to overview, XML. XML editing is disabled in preferences. If I click, I can't type a goddamn thing. Oh, this is really starting to piss me off. Sudo, Control-Shift-V. What in the actual fuck? I just copied all of this. Control-C, Control-C. Let me just Control-C like 9 times. Make sure this is working. This is actually starting to get me livid. I mean, not really livid, but still. Yes. Remove it. Which I did that during the install, so I don't really get that, but okay. So, there we go. Let's sudo virt-manager. Please fucking God work. Alright, so I've got this. Go into edit, preferences, enable XML editing, close, open, overview, XML, disabled in preferences. Hold on, you're throwing a lot of stuff at me and I have no idea. So to remove pseudo privileges, or the need to remove pseudo privileges. Okay, hold on. I'll go through here and do all this. Sudo vim / etc libvirt libvirt d dot conf. Okay, and uncomment line 104. Oh. Okay. I was just going to go to the line, but I don't know why it didn't work there. Okay, if not using policy kit and setting group ownership for access control, then you might want to relax this too. So click on, okay. So uncomment that line. Unix sock group equals, I don't know what the next line equals, libvirt Unix sock or params. Wait, so do I, wait, so I need to add the line? Oh, wait, oh, I see that. I see that line up here at 81. Unix sock group libvirt. Gotcha. Click WQ. This is restricted to root by default. Oh. Okay, WQ, save that. Then sudo vim /etc libvirt. Oh my god, libvirt QUMU.conf. Okay. And then go down here. Not seeing a user line. I don't know if I just need to add it or if it's in here somewhere. God damn, how long is this line? Holy shit. This is a big ass fucking document. User. Oh, no, that's not what we want. Damn, is it in here? I don't see it anywhere. So we're just going to add that, I guess. Right, Luca? We just need to add that line in here. Like user. User is equal to Zany. Wait, hold on. Let me make sure my username is Zany on here. Yeah. Yeah, just add it. User equals Zany and group equals libvirt, right? Yep, libvirt. All right. Okay. Save that. Now, do I need to add my user to that group? Like, does Zany need to be part of the libvirt group? I'm going to assume so, but I'm not sure. I mean, I'm not going to add him to a group like that I don't need to be part of if I don't need to. But just in case I do. Okay. All right, we'll restart it. But do I need to assign my user to that group? I know there's a little bit of latency, so it'll take you a second. Because I can just do that user add. It's -G, right? User add. Or no. Shit. I can't remember the command for changing groups. Or adding to groups. It's been a while since I've done that. Fuck. Hold on. Open add user to group Linux. Again, Luca, do I need to add him to the group? Group add, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sudo group add. Group add. hold on. What? Oh, yeah, adding user to a group. Okay. Gotcha. Check Discord DMs. Oh, yeah. I have not been paying attention. Holy shit. Yeah. Okay. Packages. QEMU Arch Extra. Lib Guest FS. Okay. I ran that command already. Yeah. Holy shit. You got me taken care of. Okay. So let's do a pacman -s and let's get these extra packages. Sounds good. Adding user mod, libvirt, and kvm. Oh shit. Whoops. Can't just copy those directly in there. Darn. That's alright. Ah. Stop it, fucking Discord. Alright. Oh. There we go. New group. I don't need KVM Intel stuff. New group libvirt. I don't really know that I need to do that, but services. I mean, I have a feeling the script took care of this, but still, we'll make sure that everything is started. Paste that, and we need to go back and do restart that service. All right. Okay. Do as. Wait, hold on. Do as system. Yeah, restart libvirt D. Got that. Guest spice VD agent. All this. I'm gonna assume we need to install that just in case. All right. Bridge. I have no idea about a bridge. I don't know anything about a bridge. So far, I don't think we need to set that up. Okay, hold on. Let me go back in here. Go back over here. So now I should be able to just load up Virt Manager without having to do any fancy shit. It should just connect. Yep. Awesome. Cool. No more sudo. Enable this. Oh, now I got the other libguest fs VM introspection. Okay. So let's enable XML editing. Open this. Let's go over to overview XML. Yes! You're a legend. You're a legend. You're a fucking legend. Oh my God. I worship at your feet. I kiss the ground that you walk on. I will piss and shit on your enemies forever and ever, Luca. You're my best friend. Thank you. What a absolute fucking legend. Oh, thank you. Okay, so now I can take this, Control C it here. I can go into the Hyper-V finally and Control-V it there. Perfect. Let's go over here. CPU core pinning. Oh, shush, buddy. I know you're up. All right, let's go back over here and watch the video.
Find that and
Wait,
value.
hold on. This is a little blurry. Can we bump up the quality at all?
I said not a VM, so whatever, you give it whatever name you want. You're just trying to basically convince the driver that this is not a virtual machine. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, don't worry about this. This is only for AMD GPUs. NVIDIA GPUs should work just fine. You should be able to install the driver and you should be good to go.
Yeah.
AMD, you might have to do this. Okay, apply, and now we can start the virtual.
Okay. So for AMD GPUs, that's pretty critical. Okay. Okay. Word. Now, for performance optimizations, we obviously want all of this. Like, it's undoubtedly a question that we want the performance enhancements, and this goes under Hyper-V as well. So let's Control-V it there. Perfect. Perfect. All right, so we've got some. Now, CPU core pinning.
Okay.
So
let's download the.
For CPU core pinning, I have a feeling that that's going to be something that's going to be definitely not needed, but definitely an improvement that we'll want later on.
The driver and hit install. So let's shut down the virtual machine. And what we'll do, we'll remove the emulated graphics card, starting with tablet.
Okay, so yes, apply the changes. Let's go back and overview, make sure they're still here. Direct on, wait, hold on. I gotta make sure the formatting's right, dog. Can't have anything, yeah. I've literally never worked with XML, so I don't know if it matters. Okay, it's just gonna keep moving it. Okay. All right, I guess that's how it's supposed to be formatted. Cool. Okay, so this is the Spice graphics card as far as I know. Or maybe it's this one. I have no idea. Mine are different than his, but I think it's the display Spice. Oh wait, no, I do have a tablet. I have a tablet here. I have no idea. Okay, let's just go ahead and start up the virtual machine. Power on the virtual machine. Hello? Oh, close. Okay, it just took it a hot second to start. That's fine. Shift 3. Ooh. We got my Windows installed. Yeet. Yeet. Now all we got to do is install the driver. All right. Perfect. Now, hold on. I do want to go into well, I know it might expose some stuff, so hold on. Just to make me happy, I'm going to switch over here to the webcam so you guys can watch me, and I'm going to go to my PC, like this PC, and I believe I go to Computer System Properties. I just know there's a chance it could expose some different stuff. Okay, so we have the 5700G. It is not saying anything about my my graphics card at all. Can I go to Device Manager? Yeah, Device Manager. There we go. Okay. Display drivers. We got the Microsoft basic display driver. Can I see monitors? No. Processors. 5700G. Software devices. Sound, video, game controllers. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. Let's just install the driver. Oh, let me switch back over so you guys can see what I'm doing. Hello? What the fuck? No. Confirm. Okay. I want to get RX 6600 XT. RX 6600 XT. Graphics card. Bada bada bing. Dude, I love how the internet is just much slower inside of my virtual machine. Dude, dog. Oh my god. Come on. Windows 10 60. Oh my god. Windows 10 64-bit. Thank you. Download. Bada ba-ting, ba-ting. Download that Windows driver. Holy shit. Okay, there it goes. See, it's weird. It's like the internet's really crappy, but it just takes a few seconds to get started. And then it's my normal internet. Like, very weird. Very weird. But okay, we are seconds away from installing this damn driver. Let's open it. Yes, I want to install it. Okay, let's minimize that. Let's install. Oh, just taking its sweet time, you know? There's nothing more exhilarating than watching an extracting, like, loading bar. I mean, am I right or am I right? Come on now. Don't y'all lie about it. It's pretty lit. It's pretty awesome. Excusez-moi. Don't worry, baby. You can do it. I believe in you. Taking it sweet time. Taking it sweet time. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You can do it. Detecting your system configuration for driver and software compatibility. Good old Windows 10. Yes, sir. AMD RX 6600 XT. Let's install this driver. Yes, sir. My screen may flicker during install. Lit. Cool beans. Oh, I mean, it's definitely not going to be the most responsive system. That's for damn sure. But nonetheless, like, if I'm able to game in it, who cares? You know? You got it. You got it. Oh my lord. No, I don't want you to collect random shit on me. Let's go into display settings. Can we change the resolution? Look at that. Yes, I can. Let's bump it up to 1920 by 1080. Keep changes. Actually, wait, hold on. What if I bump it up to 1440? Revert back down to 1080. Let's do 1920 by 1200. Keep changes. Cool. All right. Let's see. Can I do advanced display settings? Refresh rate. That's why it's so bad. It's literally 1 hertz. It's detecting this as a 1 hertz display. Jesus. Skip this. Click close. So it's not that it's unresponsive, it's just that it's got a fucking terrible display recognized. Okay, so let's go ahead and force off. Click yes. Cool.
That allows.
Now we will go through back in here and go to the tablet, and we'll remove that. Click yes.
For relative mouse movement, relative between the virtual machine and the guest. So we won't be using the same monitor, basically. We won't be seeing output in Linux anymore. So we'll remove all that. Display spice. We don't really need that sound device. If you want sound, you can just use a USB sound card, or would recommend something like that, or your monitor if you can plug in speakers into that. Channel spice we can remove. Video QXL we can remove. Okay, at this point what we'll need to do, the graphics card we just passed through, you need to plug it into another monitor. Some people only have one monitor. You might have to either switch inputs, or you might just have to move the cable from one card to another. If you have two monitors, you will be getting output on both of them.
Yeah, he wants us to plug it up to a real monitor. That's not what I'm looking to do.
Linux host, and another one from the guest, and again, mouse and keyboard, you will need that too. So let's start this. Okay, so we are in Windows now. I will go download 3D Mark and I'll run it, basically just so we can see how this virtual machine performs without any optimization.
Okay, so how can we get, because I don't want to actually send it to a proper monitor. Change refresh rate of display invert dash manager. hold on, you will want to try Looking Glass if you want to use the VM in a window and not in another monitor, or just use the GPU on another input on the monitor. Oh yeah, I could definitely do that. But see, the thing about that is then I can't ever record inside of Linux. Like, I definitely want to record from Windows or from Linux in Windows. So Looking Glass. VM, I guess. LookingGlass.io. Okay. Looking Glass is an open source application that allows the use of a KVM configured for VGA PCI pass-through without an attached physical monitor, keyboard, or mouse. This is the final step required to move away from dual booting with other operating systems for legacy programs that require high-performance graphics. Okay. In current testing at refresh rate at 60, it's possible obtaining. Holy shit. Better than 16 milliseconds of latency with the guest. If the user doesn't care for VSync, this can be further reduced to under a few milliseconds on average. Yeah. Okay. So how do we use this? Host requirements. Anything recent graphics device towards OpenGL should do fine. Okay, guest requirements. At this time, only Windows 10 is supported, with any video cards supporting DXG desktop duplication or the NVIDIA Capture. Okay. So I don't know if the 6600 supports that desktop duplication. Have no idea. Okay. So installation. Working on a dedicated monitor. I don't have it on a dedicated monitor. Oh, well, I mean, but I could. It does work. Huh. Well, wait, hold on. Would there be a way? Well, no, because there's no way for me to capture the video output from Linux, because it would just be going on Windows. Oh, trying to think how I'm gonna do this, because I'm essentially required. Oh. Damn, I have no idea. Okay, no. Spice server. Oh. Yeah, no. I mean, maybe. Shit, I don't know. Like, I have no idea how to set up this. If you would like to use Spice to give you keyboard and mouse input along with a clipboard sync support, make sure you have graphics. Type Spice device, then find your video device and set model type equal none. If you can't find it, make sure you have graphics device. Save again on older. Just enable this in Windows Device Manager. Remove input tablet device if you have one. Create an input mouse device if you don't already have one. Create an input to improve keyboard usage. Okay, yeah, I have no idea what the fuck is going on in here. Yeah, I have no idea how to use this thing. This thing is like 3 levels above my head. determining memory, shared memory, file usage, clipboard synchronization. I have no fucking clue what's going on. I just want to be able to use the monitor and not have it just be one hertz. Literally, I mean, the spice output, if I could get it to like 60 hertz. Spice vert dash manager 60 hertz. Okay. Only 1 hertz in VM vert dash manager. What? Oh. Okay. No, it does not help. Apply, yes. I don't know what I changed, but yeah. Yeah, true that. I mean, if only I could get a hold of Wendell, like that would change everything. But cannot. Because I mean, the only issue here is that it's running at 1 hertz. If I could just get the display to not be at like fucking 1 hertz, that'd be fine. Everything else I can deal with. Advanced display settings. Like, dog. Why? Oh, shit. Okay, monitor. Screen refresh rates. It's saying 64 hertz here. Can I like update this driver? Search automatically. Okay, best drivers are already installed. Wait, hold on. I just thought about something. Go to update. I bet you there's a shitload of updates for this. I bet you if I start updating shit, we'll have nary problems. Oh, really? Shit. That makes me nervous, though. Because if he's easy to contact, that means I could easily get in touch with him. And he could easily find out just how stupid I am. That'd be terrible. There'd be no bueno. Alright, so we're in here. If I do control delete, yeah, I can leave it. Escape. Good, cancel. Okay, so we're getting cumulative update, all this stuff. Alright, yeah, we're just going to do all of these updates and then do a reboot and see if that allows us to go up from 1 hertz. Because supposedly it can go all the way up to 64 hertz. Then if this doesn't work, then at this point I'll just say fuck it, and I'll just use a display output for it. I'll just switch the monitor whenever I want a game, like to a different output. But he needs to go outside, so give me just 1 second. I'll be right back. Perfect time if you want to go grab a drink or something. Do you have an old PC? I do. I do have an old PC. Oh, right. Oh, shit. Moved everything. Nice. Maybe you can just try Proxmox on it. Never used Proxmox. Don't know what it's used for, and probably not. Because I don't really have no idea what Proxmox is. Probably don't have any use for it. Because the whole point of this is just to keep this system here where I can play games on it and like play games on Windows and still do everything that I want to on Linux, all on one system. Okay. Restart now. Restarting. Cool beans. What is Proxmox? See, I've heard it before, but efficiently back up, restore your VMs, continue for enterprise virtualization. Yeah, no, I definitely don't need Proxmox. Definitely not. I have no idea what it's used for at all. But I'm going to assume it has a lot to do with managing a whole bunch of virtual machines, but I don't need that. Pretty basic. Pretty basic. I really just want to get this with 60 hertz. That's it. If I can just get 60 hertz out of it, that's fine, because I'm going to record in 60 FPS anyway. So, you know, like, I just can't deal with this 1 hertz shit. Getting Windows ready. Good. Good. Okay, that did not take long. Still getting graphical glitches. So I'm going to assume this didn't work. Oh my fucking god. My mouse is now acting really weird. What the fucking fuck? Control Alt Delete. Let's just, you know what, force off. Yes. We'll power it back on. Because that was just terrible, man. Something's got to be fucked up there. Please don't be that the way you actually act now. Okay. Yep. Windows is not a fast boot. I understand. Like, I get you, dog. I don't get this. Control L plus Alt L to release pointer. So I press Control L and Alt L. Okay, yeah, it doesn't work. Awesome, sick, cool. But guess what does work? Pressing Control Alt Delete. Oh my God. Control Alt Delete, and then I can move it. Fucking sick. Okay. Okay. Mouse acting weird. Whole system seems to be stuttery as shit. 1 hertz again. Very annoying. Very sick. Control Alt Delete. Alright, you know what? Let's just force off. Yep. Let's go in here. Alright, let's get rid of this. Remove hardware. Yes. Sound, I don't know what that's for. I mean, we could pass through. Everything else, but we're not going to do that. Let me go grab my extra DisplayPort cord. That's a mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort cord. Oh my God, I cannot get this thing plugged in. Fine. Okay. Oh my God, and it's a mini HDMI cord. Are you fucking kidding me? God damn it. Open up a new DisplayPort. open up a completely new cord. Alright, I'm having to open up a new cord. Just opening up new display port. Because I can't. I had another display port, but it's to mini display port. And then I grabbed an HDMI cord and I was like, fucking finally. Alright, just plug this bitch in. It's not. An HDMI to HDMI. There's two HDMI. I can't even use this one. Oh my god. Try this one more time. Right. Okay. Jesus, man. Now my choose display port. I don't want to switch over to HDMI. Thank you. Now, go back over here. So we've removed all that. We've got the graphics card being piped in there. All right, let's just click play. Let's see if the guest turns on. Okay, we get nothing here. Cool. So if I go down to input source, choose HDMI 1. No HDMI 1 signal from your device. Is it HDMI 2? No HDMI 2 cable. Right. Scanning for signal. No HDMI 1 signal from your device. So we don't get anything from it. Why? Why don't we get anything? Like, what? Like, I should have it. Nope, nothing. I don't know. I just don't get it. Okay, so much for this being a simple process. Yeah. No, this is not something that interests me anymore. I have lost all care in the world about this. I don't think I'll be doing it again. Because why is it not outputting? You know what? Let's just fucking remove that hardware. Let's just remove everything that has something to do with video out. Nick, all that shit. Okay. So now that I've removed that, serial 1, channel spice. Let's remove that. Yes. Serial 1. Let's just, well, no, we'll keep it. I don't know what it does. Vert IO serial. I don't know. Alright, let's kick it back up. But honestly, that doesn't work. I'm done messing with this shit. Oh, Jules dead. Alright. Good timing too. Good timing. No HDMI signal from the device. Like, I don't understand it. Like, there's literally no excuse for it. It should be working. But it's not. Alright. Well, in that case, we are done with the VM. It did not work. It's not a simple process at all. I mean, we got the GPU pass-through, if that counts for something, but could we game on it? Absolutely not. Could we even get video to output to a monitor from the pass-through graphics card? No. Did I do anything wrong? As far as I know, no, but very much possibly. So yeah. So that's we're gonna call it a day here, and I'll see you guys